What you can learn in 15-Minute Manifestation by Eddie Sergey. It will help you to reprogram your subconscious mind. Just wearing the headphones for 15 minutes daily, the 15-minute manifestation will bring big positive changes in your life. The 15-minute manifestation will teach you quite a few things, and a few of them are: you will be able to implement the simple technique for mind control with the help of 15-minute manifestation. You will learn to program your brain to create your reality, and you will be able to physically see it happening. You will be able to overcome constant fears which lead to your getting pulled down in the journey of life. Pros of 15-minute manifestation. The 15-minute manifestation program will help you to understand the innermost working of the brain, will help you to get rid of regressive and negative beliefs and habits which have taken control of your mind for years and perhaps for decades. The 15-minute manifestation will help you to get out from a disruptive mind and ensure that you love a life which you have desired. It is easy to follow the guide and does not require a specific skill, experience, expertise, or educational background. It cuts across professional and social barriers. The 15-minute manifestation is certainly a quality self-development program which delivers on its promises or walks the talk as far as changing the mind in a positive manner is concerned. Achieve all the things you want, get all the money and success you dream of, and more. Click the link below to start using 15-minute manifestation today.